you have the option to click on this work order link here that will give you a quick view detail of the order, and you can hit the link here that says text to pay. You can also come into the work order itself, and if you're getting ready to finalize that and the customer would like you to send it to their phone so they can pay it that way, you can come down and hit print and finish, invoice, where you can create the text to pay transaction. Now, there's also a text to pay tab over here where you can create one manually, and let's say you've already sent one to the customer. You can also click this link or unlink text to pay and link it to a text to pay you already currently have open. So for this instance, I'm going to show you how to create it from the work order. So you click on that option. It will pull up the invoice number, the customer's name. You need to input their phone number if they don't already have one in their profile, and just check the amount, and it will let them know, thank you for their business and allow them to pay online, and then click the save send text to pay. And it will bring you into the text to pay screen and show you that link that you just sent to the customer. Once the customer pays, you can also see here that it's been paid, and it will reflect in the work order. So if we come back to your point of sale screen, a good way to see if a text to pay is still pending or if it has been paid is on your main point of sale screen. You'll see here that red text to pay link showing that you've sent the text to pay to the customer. If it's red, it's still pending. If it turns green like this one here, that means the customer has paid it. So if you come into the one that shows the green text to pay, and come in here to the finalizing screen, you will see right here that payment has come through. So you will see that if they use a card, it will automatically put it next to what card type they use and the amount paid, as well as the authorization code showing it went through. So that will default once they've paid using that link. So you can just come in here and go ahead and finalize the ticket once you're done.